Good morning, everybody.
Morning. Good morning.
How you guys doing?
Great.
What are we doing today?
Skydive.
All right. Tell me your names.
Chris. Jess. Dave. Ben. Lindsay.
Olivia. Aaron.
Chris.
Why are we skydiving? Why are we jumping out of a perfectly good plane?
Sounds like a good idea.
Why not?
Why not? Difficult. We do dumb stuff sometimes.
Awesome, awesome. Anything anyone want to say to anyone watching this video?
Everybody pay their insurance premium.
How's the weather today?
Yeah.
Did you guys do that? But Angela told us
All right, well, we're going to go really high, come down really fast. Sound like a plan?
Heck yeah.
All right, let's go have some fun. All the way through, let's go. Let's go skydiving. You! Oh yeah, we found an airplane.
You ready to get in this thing so we can get right back out of it? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go have some fun, guys. High five.
Bring it back one more. Woo! Let's do it. All right.
All the way up. Take it to the left. All the way up. And then both together. That's how we slow it down like we're going to land. All right, you got a good grip, right? Flying, man. Woo! Turn there. Go. Is it one? Is it two? Woo! All right, man, you did it. You just went skydiving. How you feeling?
Freaking awesome.
What was your favorite part?
Free falling and just how calm it is when that chute opens up. It's, like,
Isn't it?
it's amazing. Like,
Dude, you absolutely
didn't expect
killed
that.
You did so good. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive
you,
Colorado
man.
Springs. Woo! Let's go.